here today with Professor Haiyan Song and a team of researchers from the School of Hotel and Tourism Management at the Hong Kong Polytechnic University to discuss their innovative research on tourism demand forecasting. Professor Song, I understand that your team has been working with the Pacific Asia Travel Association, or PATA. Can you tell me more about the science behind your work and how it was developed?
This forecasting system has been developed based on the team's continuous research on tourism demand modeling and forecasting. The system basically uses modern econometric modeling and forecasting approaches, which examines the causal relationship between the demand for tourism and its influencing factors, such as the income level of the source market, the relative price between the destination and the source market, and the exchange rate, etc.
Dr. Alina Zhang, can you explain the features of the forecasting system?
This forecasting system integrates advanced econometric methods and expert adjustment approach to account for the impact of major crises such as the COVID-19 pandemic on the demand for tourism within Asia-Pacific. The system also continuously updates itself by incorporating the latest information in the modeling process.
Dr. Eden Zhao, one of your approaches in the research involves income elasticity analysis. Can you explain to me what this means briefly in layman's terms?
Price and income elasticity analysis can be understood as a kind of simulation or scenario analysis of tourism demand, like a way to understand how the tourism industry, especially in terms of tourist arrivals and expenditure, will respond toward changes in price and income. For example, when tourist income changes or the relative price of tourism product changes, our analysis reflects how tourists will react towards these changes at the aggregated level. Our analysis can help facilitate efficient planning and policymaking for the industry and the government accordingly.
Dr. Ainu Liu, looking at the applicability of your research beyond its obvious academic contribution, who are the end users of the forecast generated from the system?
The end users of PATA visitor forecasts are mainly Pacific Asia Travel Association members, which include tourism ministries, NGOs, tourism businesses such as airlines, hotels, travel agencies, attractions, as well as academic institutions. For example, our forecast during the pandemic period facilitated one PATA member's investment decisions in the expansion of hotels in China and overseas. The China Tourism Academy also expressed that, under the One Belt, One Road initiative, they used the PATA visitor forecasts to identify and respond to emerging markets with fast tourism growth to or from China. Other end users may include consultancy companies and international organizations.
Dr. Richard Chiu, with international tourism finally recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic, how is the forecasting system benefiting the Asia-Pacific region?
As a major focus, the system provides different scenario forecasts of tourism demand, and this is very important to local authorities and businesses in terms of resource allocation. As we know, the pandemic has contracted the tourism industry, so there is certainly a need for expansion. Our system may provide insights to the industry with vital information, more importantly, the confidence, so that the industry can confidently expand and restore jobs. And we are not just putting the system online alone. We engage with our partners, such as PATA and Euromonitor, to spread the findings and help tourism industry stakeholders understanding the factors that shape the future of tourism demand in Asia-Pacific destinations.
Professor Song, looking ahead to the next year, what are some of the potential future developments of the tourism demand forecasting system?
Our research team will continue to automate the system using the latest technologies. We plan to develop a self-adaptive tourism demand forecasting platform, which utilizes such methods as AI, deep learning, and big data analytics to collect the data, estimate the models, and generate both long-run and short-run forecasts, which can be accessed by user anywhere at any time. This platform represents our continuous effort in conducting cutting-edge research with a view to generating practical impact.
I'd like to thank Professor Song and everyone on the team.
Thank
Thank you.